Today's topic is applications of linked list in a real world. Myself Sushankar Reddy. I am from Aero section. Linked list. Linked list is a sequence of data structures which are connected together via links. Linked list is a sequence of links which contains items. Each link contains a connection to another link. Linked list is the second most used data structure after array. Following are the important terms to understand the concept of linked list. Link. Each link of the linked list can store a data called an element. Nest. Each link of the linked list contains a link to the next link called nest. Linked list. A linked list contains the connection link to the first link called first. The linked list is a linear data structure that has a sequence of the continuous nodes. A single node is just the object which contains the things like a data and a nest. Pointer which points to the next node is case of a single and circular linked list, and also previous pointer which will point to the previous node is in case of a double linked list. In this way, it forms a chain-like structures. It can be easily performed in performance appended definition operations without recognition of the entire list because memory allocation is done during return. But if we want the same operations an array that needs to allocate fixed memory, its runtime will be get more expensive. Types of linked list. Following the various types of linked list. Simple linked list. Your item navigation is forward only. Double linked list. The items can be navigated forward and backward. Circular linked list. List last time contains link of the first element as rest the and the first element has a link to the last element as previous. Single Singly linked list. This linked list is under directional which will start from the head and end up with a tile containing data and pointer to the next node is a particular node. Application of linked list in the computer science. Implementation of stacks and queues. Implementation of graphs. Popular with is used linked list to the store adjacent variables. Maintenance dictionary of names. Use of linked list over an array. Generally, array is in a linear data structure has a specified memory space and located and stored in the continuous sequence also has a specified size. Representation of single and double list. Application of single linked list are as following. It is used to implement stacks and queues which are likely fundamental needs throughout computer science. Circular linked list. The linked list performance a circular form is the first node points to its next node and the last node points to the first head node, forming a circular. Both single and double linked list can be made into a circular linked list. Application of double linked list are as following. The great cause of the double linked list is the navigation systems has a needs for and back navigation. Implementation of single linked list. Before writing the code to build the above list, we need to create a start node used to create a access other nodes in the linked list. Array linked list. Size of the an array is fixed. Size of the linked list is not fixed. Memory is allocated for stack. Memory is allocated for a heap. So, thank you.